Well, good morning, Northern Michigan, from your National Weather Service right here in Gaylord. Welcome to your latest Hazardous weather briefing for northern lower and east upper Michigan. Today is Wednesday, the 10th of September, 2014. We're still looking at a rather active period of weather today. The biggest concern is locally heavy rain that will occur across all of northern Michigan, spreading rapidly from west to east across the area this morning, before ending later today and especially through the evening hours. Most areas will see up to an inch, perhaps locally higher amounts of rain, which will cause ponding of water on area roadways. As of now, though, it does not look like this is a significant flooding threat. In addition, gale force winds are expected to develop at least across portions of our nearshore waters, especially on northern Lake Michigan and along the northeast lower coastline of northern Lake Huron. And that'll be tonight into Thursday morning. And of course, gales mean wind gusts to 34 knots or higher are expected, which will cause very hazardous boating conditions. You can see our latest weather graphic, the heavy rain potential, with 1 to perhaps 1.5 inch amounts across all of the area. And we could have some locally higher amounts if any thunderstorm activity does develop. Now, we're not expecting any type of severe thunderstorms today, with a severe threat now shifting well south across far southern lower Michigan into the Ohio Valley. Once again, gale force winds will develop tonight into Thursday morning, with gale warnings issued for the appropriate nearshore waters. And then behind the system, much more like fall, windy and turning sharply cooler for Thursday and Friday, with temperatures mostly in the 50s, overnight lows in the 30s and 40s. And the next system will bring an additional threat for some rain, mostly light, by late Friday and especially on Friday night, perhaps lingering into the start of the weekend. Now, this concludes the Hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thanks again for joining us. Your next update is expected around 5 a.m. tomorrow morning.